Opiates. There are opioid receptor sites in both the central and peripheral nervous system. The body produces its own internal opiates, called endorphins or enkephalins, that attach to these receptor sites. External opiates are so similar chemically that they can also attach to these receptor sites and create the same effect: depression, analgesia, narcosis, and euphoria. LSD. Although there is uncertainty about this, one explanation of its effect is that LSD may also reduce the reticular activating system's ability to filter and integrate sensory information, allowing the information to flow to the cerebral cortex, uninterpreted. Inhalants impair neurotransmissions in the brain. They are depressants with effects similar to barbiturates and alcohol.